What are we doing today?
We're gonna replace the battery for Mazda 2 2020, and just what you need to replace the battery is just something with this sharp end, a screwdriver or something like this, or even plier. If you have plier like this, that can open it up as well. To start with, just take the key out, and then just use this to pry, push here, push little bit there. This is, you can see, and then just very easy to open. Then that's where the battery is. Take the cover off, battery out. It's 2025, this number. So we already had one out. Battery in, cover on, click, click, key back in, all done. Hope this can help someone. It's very easy to replace the battery. All you need is get these batteries from pawn shop or anywhere, very cheap. So cost maybe 10 pence, 20 pence to replace the battery. So hope it helped someone. One thing I forgot to mention, one side is flat side and the other side is, you can see some line all the way through, not so flat, so that one goes inside.